Okay, and now there's a lot more that we can add. And keep in mind that we can inspect not just on our own website, but on other people's websites. So Linus Torvalds is one of the world's greatest computer programmers. He created the Linux operating system. So let's see Linus Torvalds uh, website. And we have Linus Torvalds .weebly.com. I'm upset if that's really this person's website. It might be a fan page or something. It could be their page. But let's go and take a look at inspect, and we can see that there's a head, there's a body, there's a lot of these class values. So this is too complicated. Let's go to someone who's also a great